Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's a Sunday late morning right now, just starting up a little barbecue. Melissa and I are going to make up some pork chops, and she's going to make some potato salad and some beans, and that's what's going to be for lunch, and also what's for dinner. We're supposed to have some pretty heavy thunderstorms coming through here shortly, so I kind of have the barbecue tucked a little bit underneath the carport.
Boy, these Welsumers are really laying some pretty eggs.
Yeah, they got nice spotted like that. Yeah. Well, I can't fit all of the pork chops on that little grill, so two of them I'm going to put over here on the gas grill. Now, all this pork is stuff that I home raised and home butchered.
Melissa, new seatbelts. We have to beat to get you home before it really starts kicking in.
I was just inside. Melissa's making a potato salad right now. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Lunch is done. We're both stuffed. Yesterday we made homemade ice cream. I made about a gallon of it here. I've got it in the freezer, but both of us are too full right now to eat any. That'll have to wait till later. I'll see you guys on the next video.